नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन इंद्रप्रस्थ यूनिवर्सिटी दैट इज़ GGS IPU, जवाहरलाल नेहरू यूनिवर्सिटी JNU and Delhi University as per section 5 of the DU Act 1922. So as the topic suggests, under section 5 of the DU Act there is a reference of IPU University JNU. So why there is a reference of IPU and JNU in DU Act, that we will discuss today, and this is something unique about DU Act. So we will first see the chronology of the acts creating DU, JNU and GGS IPU. The University of Delhi Act 1922 passed by the British government to establish DU as a premier institute for higher education. Key features: DU was given exclusive rights to affiliate colleges in Delhi. So this is the main thing. DU was given the rights to affiliate colleges. So DU Act में 1922 में ही DU को ये rights मिल गए थे. Now we come to Jawaharlal Nehru University, which came into being later on. The Jawaharlal Nehru University Act 1966 established JNU as a separate central university in Delhi. Key features: unlike DU, JNU was designed for postgraduate and research programs only and does not affiliate colleges. Exception in DU Act. Section 5(2) was amended to allow JNU to function in Delhi independently. So DU Act में सेक्शन 5(2) में दिया हुआ है, वाज अमेंड हुआ, जो कि जिसने JNU को अलाउ किया कि वो दिल्ली में फंक्शन कर सके. अदरवाइज़ DU एक्ट के अनुसार सिर्फ DU ही दिल्ली में फंक्शन कर सकती थी और एफिलेट कर सकती थी कॉलेजेस को. नाउ कम्स द GGS IPU एक्ट 1998 which established GGS IPU as a state university in Delhi. Formerly it was known as Indraprasth Vishwavidyalaya. Key features: specially created to affiliate colleges offering professional and technical courses, engineering, law, management, etc. Clarification on DU's monopoly. जैसे ही GGS IPU बना, there was a big question mark on DU's monopoly, which had affiliation of colleges in DU. So clarification on DU's monopoly is: though DU originally had exclusive rights, GGS IPU was given an independent status to affiliate non-traditional professional colleges. So here section 5(2) is the main section which talks about the monopoly of DU and exceptions given to JNU and IPU. Section 5(2) of the University of Delhi Act 1922 states that no educational institution in Delhi can be affiliated with any university other than Delhi University except in special cases. So कोई भी एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट एफिलेट नहीं हो सकता है विद एनी यूनिवर्सिटी अदर दैन दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी. तो कोई भी एफिलिएशन करना है तो सिर्फ दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी ही एफिलेट करेगी एज पर 1922 DU एक्ट, एक्सेप्ट इन स्पेशल केसेस. अब वो स्पेशल केसेस कहाँ डिफाइंड है? इन सेक्शन 5(2) ऑफ द DU एक्ट. This means that by default DU has exclusive rights to affiliate colleges in Delhi. So, however, over time certain universities were established through separate legislative acts which created exceptions to DU's affiliation monopoly. तो जैसे जैसे नई यूनिवर्सिटीज़ आती गई, सेक्शन 5(2) को अमेंड करना पड़ा और DU की मोनोपोली ख़त्म होती गई, या कहेंगे कम होती गई. हाउ JNU and GGS IPU fit into this framework? JNU. So there is an exception in section 5(2) of the DU Act. JNU was established through the Jawaharlal Nehru Act 1966. Section 5(2) of the DU Act explicitly states that JNU is an exception, meaning JNU can function as an independent university within Delhi. Unlike DU, JNU does not affiliate colleges but operates as a central university primarily for postgraduate and research programs. तो चाहे JNU एफिलेट नहीं करता कॉलेजेस को, बट DU ने उसके लिए एक्सेप्शन दिया है और DU ने उसे अलाउ किया है टू रन द कोर्सेज. नाउ कम्स द GGS IPU. which is created by a separate act. GGS IPU, formerly known as Indraprasth Vishwavidyalaya, was established under the GGS IPU Act 1998. Initially, there was confusion about whether GGS IPU could affiliate colleges in Delhi since DU had exclusive rights. तो पहले ये कन्फ्यूज़न थी कि GGS IPU एफिलेट कर सकता है कॉलेजेस को, नहीं दिल्ली में. However, the IP University Act provided an independent status, allowing it to affiliate colleges for professional and technical courses. तो IP यूनिवर्सिटी के एक्ट में इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेटस दे दिया गया उसको, जिसने उसे एफिलेट करने कॉलेजेस एफिलेट करने की पावर दी. ओवर टाइम GGS IPU became the main affiliating university in Delhi for engineering, management, law and medical colleges. तो GGS IPU के एक्ट में जो इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेटस उसको मिला, उसकी वजह से DU को अपना एक्ट अमेंड करना पड़ा एंड दे हैड टू ऐड सेक्शन 5(2) which has exceptional clauses for JNU and IPU, whereas DU remained focused on traditional disciplines. Combined overview. University, DU. So DU affiliating colleges, yes, DU can affiliate colleges, general education, humanities, sciences and commerce, etc. Legal exception from DU Act. DU has original exclusive rights under section 5(2). Jawaharlal University, no. So here JNU don't affiliate colleges, only a teaching and university research university. JNU has explicitly been exempted in DU Act. Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, yes. IP University can affiliate colleges, only technical and professional education. It was established separately, which operates independently. Section 5(2) of the DU Act 1922. Here we will have a simplest view of Section 5(2). If you go to DU Act and read Section 5(2) in one go, you cannot understand it. So you have to read it again and again. So here we can give you a simpler form of Section 5(2). Section 5(2) states that no educational institution in Delhi can be affiliated with any other university except Delhi University. तो सेक्शन 5(2) में क्या दिया गया है, कोई भी एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट दिल्ली में एफिलेटेड नहीं हो सकता है किसी भी यूनिवर्सिटी से एक्सेप्ट दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी, अनलेस देयर इज़ अ स्पेशल लीगल प्रोविज़न अलाउइंग इट. तो उस एक्ट में जो नया एक्ट आएगा DU एक्ट के अलावा, उसमें स्पेशल प्रोविज़न्स होने चाहिए, तो ही वो यूनिवर्सिटी अलाउ कर सकती है एफिलेशन. What does this mean? DU was given exclusive rights to affiliate colleges. No other university could affiliate a Delhi-based college unless a separate law permitted it. JNU was made with an exception in 1966, so it could exist alongside DU. GGS IPU was created later in 1998 with its own authority to affiliate professional and technical colleges, which DU did not specialize in. Okay, so GGS IPU has a separate status, separate colleges being affiliated to it. DU did not specialize in it. Simple example. A BA or BSc college in Delhi must be affiliated with DU unless a new law says otherwise. A medical, law or engineering college in Delhi can be affiliated with GGS IPU as it was given separate powers. A private university cannot randomly affiliate a Delhi-based college unless allowed by the law. Conclusion. DU was originally given complete control over colleges affiliation in Delhi. Over time, in 1966, JNU and in 1998, GGS IPU were created with special laws to function independently in specific areas. Section 5(2) ensures that only legally recognized universities can operate in Delhi, preventing unregulated institutions from affiliating colleges. So this legal framework ensures that DU, JNU and GGS IPU coexist without overlapping roles in Delhi's educational system. So it was quite an interesting discussion where we came to know that GGS, IPU and JNU can exist even when Delhi University has special and specific provision that only DU can affiliate colleges. तो हमने ये जाना कि DU के पास चाहे स्पेशल राइट्स हैं, बट JNU और IP यूनिवर्सिटी अपने स्पेसिफिक एक्ट इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेटस के साथ आई, एंड IP यूनिवर्सिटी इज एफिलेटिंग कॉलेजेस इन टेक्निकल एंड प्रोफेशनल एरियाज वेयर दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी इज डूइंग in their specific areas. Okay, JNU is only a research institution and no giving no affiliation. Thank you very much. We will come up with a new video.